Violence against women is getting serious in Indonesia. 8 out of 10 cases went unreported in this conservative society. Victims and their family often turn a blind eye to avoid shame. Hence, violence continues. For some, it leads to death and suicide. The NGO Kapal Perempuan wants to put an end to this. Introducing Hidden Violence Photo. Collaborating with popular bloggers, we created unexpected photos for their Facebook fans. How it works? With more than one photo uploaded, they will appear cropped. When a fan clicks on the photo, the full shocking photo will be revealed. The photos went viral instantly, appearing on countless fans' timelines.
Kita sebagai kaum wanita, jangan takut untuk mengekspos kekerasan dalam rumah tangga. Ini semua harus dihentikan.
Meskipun mereka tetangga, saudara, atau teman kita perlu mendorong mereka supaya mereka tuh bisa ekspos siapa pelakunya.
The campaign, with the simple use of Facebook photos, ignites a nationwide awareness of violence against women. Hidden Violence Photo. Don't hide, expose.